welcome back to Vlogmas day 20, I think. Starting off a little late right now, but yeah, so right now we're about to go why am I zooming into my face? So right now we are about to go see some Christmas lights, some actual Christmas lights, not the Christmas lights that we saw before. We're going to go through like this drive-through place in Aurora, and I'm super excited for it. I think it's gonna be really fun. I'm bringing you guys along with me, so let's go check it out.
1 hour later.'Hello, it is the next day, and yeah, as you guys saw the Christmas lights. They were a little corny. Don't tell anybody I said that, okay? Don't tell anybody else said that. So I'm looking a little bit of a mess, but it's okay because today we're making cookies. I'm so excited. So we're just gonna make our way to the kitchen. But today we're making cookies. I'm so excited. So yeah, so we're just gonna make our way to the kitchen and get started. Okay, so the first cookie that we're going to make is something that we haven't made before, but it's called whipped shortbread cookies. So this is what you're gonna need. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 6 tablespoons of softened butter. You can feel it, it's soft. And then a 1/2 cup and a tablespoon, I don't know, of flour. So yeah, the first thing that we're gonna do is mix the butter and the sugar together. All right, you guys. So you are going to mix in the butter and the sugar, and then we are just going to mix it around. It wasn't really enough. That's why we ended up doubling the recipe. And we had to use a hand mixer because none of the mixers that came with the KitchenAid was really working at the time because it's mainly just dry ingredients besides the butter. So now we're going to gradually add in the flour and we're going to mix that as well as the cornstarch. Or what's that, powdered sugar? Either way, you're going to mix that together um, until it becomes like a dough-like mixture. Now, this is going to be kind of crumbly. I don't know. We're not sure if we did this right or wrong, but this is just how the dough came out. And then you're going to put it in the freezer to freeze. Not freeze, but get firm. So after like 15 minutes or so, it's pretty firm. So you're just going to take it out and then you're going to make balls. Like once again, it's going to be a little bit crumbly. So you just want to take your time trying to form it into a nice little round ball. And now you're going to take a fork with dip it in some cornstarch, and then you're going to slightly mash the cookie down, pretty much so it can have like some like ridges so you can put the sprinkles on there. So that's us putting the sprinkles on there, and then you're going to put this in the oven at 300 degrees for about 20 minutes or so. So yeah, this is just us putting all the sprinkles on. So now we are going to go into the gooey lemon cookies. So what you're going to need is some cream cheese, butter, sugar, powdered sugar, lemon zest, an egg, cornstarch, flour, and lemon extract and vanilla extract as well. Yeah, so first things first, you're going to start off with the cream cheese and the butter mixture, and you're just going to mix that along with the lemon zest and some sugar as well. So then you're going to mix that together. Now, where we kind of messed up is even though we couldn't use the KitchenAid for the last cookie recipe, we definitely could use the KitchenAid for this recipe, and we learned that lesson very quickly, and we in the next few clips you're going to see us switch over to the KitchenAid. But you are going to continue to mix that batter or that mixture until it becomes like a frosting type of consistency like this right here. And then this is kind of when we switch over to the KitchenAid because we start pouring in the flour, and then it seems like it overpowers the mixer. So that's why we end up moving over to the KitchenAid. But yes, you will gradually add in your flour. You don't want to add it in all at once because it's going to be a mess, but you're going to gradually add it in. And yeah, I think the next clip is, yep, in the KitchenAid. You see how easy that was? Work smarter, not harder, you guys, I swear. So that is it, mixing it up. So you want to blend it together until it becomes like a creamy type of mixture. So once you do that, you're going to take a cookie scooper and toss it around in some powdered sugar. And then from there, you're just going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 11 minutes. And that is going to be it. So the first ones is going to be those shortbread cookies. And then the next clip is going to be the lemon cookies. And yeah, that's how they turned out. Once again, looking a hot mess, but we're going to try some cookies. So the first thing I'm going to try is these shortbread cookies. I don't know, they came out kind of weird looking, so I don't know if we're ever going to make these again, but here's the shortbread. Not bad. They're not too sweet, which I personally like because I do not like sweet like anything. So next one I'm going to try is this lemon cookie, which I'm a little bit nervous about because I don't know like how I'm gonna feel about the lemon, but here we go. This is really soft. Not bad. This is actually kind of good. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it for today. We are wrapping it up. We still have a few more cookies to bake, but it's like nighttime and it's getting late. And then, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and being so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, bye guys.